Hello everybody, just want to show you this right quick. If you have one of these cheap Chinese Wi-Fi cameras, you're wondering how to reset the thing, it's not the hole there or there. This thing has no holes anywhere else. If you take the lens, rotate it up, that's where you put your SD card in it, right there, that slot, and then right there is your reset button. Anyway, hope that helps. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And remember, don't be destructive. Fix, repair, create. Make the world better.